Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're going to draw a boat. Let's start with the outline. This is the outer edge of the life ring. Draw a smaller circle inside the big one to create the ring shape like a donut. Life rings float because they're filled with light materials like foam or air, just like pool floaties. Life rings are usually bright orange or red so they can be seen from far away. Boats have been around for over 10,000 years. Ancient people used logs tied together as rafts. The top part of a boat where people stand or sit is called the deck. Big ships have many decks, like floors in a building. The mast holds sails and helps catch the wind. This is how sailboats move, no engine needed. Some sails are shaped like wings to help boats go even faster, just like an airplane in the water. Add a small flag at the top of the mast. Pirates used to fly scary flags like the skull and crossbones to scare other ships. Use bright colors for the sail, hull, and flag. Dolphins sometimes swim alongside boats just for fun. They love to play in the waves. Our boat looks super awesome. Thank you so much for drawing with me. Bye!